Welcome back to another adventure. I was about to give up on this one. I've seen photos of what looks like Azurite in a adit, so I was kind of hopeful that I'd find something. And I looked at both Mindat and Google Earth, and the Mindat just kind of looked like it was placed on top of the hill, like they do sometimes, and the only thing I saw that kind of looked like it could be a waste rock pile. I passed about, I don't know, half the way down the hill over there. So I was getting kind of disappointed. Hadn't really seen anything other than a skidder trail running up here, and I crested the hill. I'm gonna wander back down the Jeep trail that I probably should have come up before. It was just so overgrown. The clearer path was up the side, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this camera around and show you what I did discover so far, and it gives me a little hope that we might find some other stuff out here too. So as I crested this little hill here, I saw that there was some diggings going on over here, and there just happens to be, I'm sure this is not even the good stuff, this is just stuff people have dug out and found better pieces of. Is some Azurite. That one's really good looking, right there, kind of glistening in the sun. But that was one of my main reasoning for coming up here, was the Azurite and everything that I'd seen on the interwebs. So pretty cool. I'm gonna poke around a little bit more up here, and then I was noticing that it kind of looks like that goes down over the hill here, so I'm hopeful there's supposed to be a 630 foot adit, and I'm out looking for that. Hopefully it's still accessible. There is another mine that I've done a video on before, straight across the valley there, a big pit mine with a adit at the bottom. So just out and about today, and I'm gonna poke around and see if I can't find any decent specimens up here. I found the waste dump here. I was kind of looking around to see if there was any other blue streaks out here, but nothing that I seen. And as I came down the hill, I saw this and got excited for a second, but it is completely collapsed and sloughed over there. So that would have been, oh, can't zoom out anymore, I guess. That would have been the adit, 630 feet into the hillside there. So I'm gonna go ahead and head back up this road, because I don't think there's anything below me here. Now I'm gonna go take a look at that upper cut again, and see if there's anything worthwhile in there. But sad to see the adit collapse, but I am glad I found it, and we'll catch back up with you up there. Alright, I decided to come back over to one. I'm not sure if I've shown you guys. I know we visited it. I'm not sure if it was worth posting or whether I posted it with another mine or something, but got a big pile here. I don't know whether it was, it's not the shaft. I don't think it was a adit or anything. Interesting. A roadway back here. Whether they just processed it or something right there. There's a lot of rock, and then it looks like somebody's dug through it fairly recently here. But And go ahead and show you guys the rest of it here. The thing that caught my eye was the strap rail, or strapping there. I'm sure it was probably strap rail. There is some sort of little opening over here. I'm not sure if this is, oh yeah, it could be plugged up. Maybe plugged up shaft or something. There's a air line going down in there with a quick connect on it. Let me get back down here on the road, and you can see there's quite a bit of waste rock out here. Seems like I'll hit this up first. There's what looks like it used to be kind of just an adit right into a shaft there that we'll check out, or it may have not had anything to do with it. But there is this, and it looks like people have been digging at it over time. Let's see if they gained anything. Oh, nope, don't look like it. Yeah, so this thing has been all back filled up and against this door here. Let me see if I can get down in there far enough to give you guys a view in there. Oh, I think it was probably powder storage from looking at it. Let me see in there. Sorry, it's kind of, yeah, it looks like it's just powder storage. Sneak down around the corner here, and that's it. No tunneling off or anything. So get back up and out of here. Seemed like there was maybe something else on this side. Maybe not. Yeah, no, it looks like this just goes back up and around to that pile I was at before there. So that solves that. Not much to that little powder storage there. And I'll go ahead and head back over here. Show you guys the. It's marked as a shaft on the USGS map, and I'm not sure why. Because when we get around here, I guess it could have been a declined shaft or something. Yeah, let me duck down there. I think, if I remember right, this is just like the other one with, well, there's some azurite and greens and stuff. It's like more mica. Try and get some decent light on that. Kind of hard with the, yeah, you can see some of the micas and stuff in there with that shadow dancing over it. So if I remember right, this just kind of gets into a, oh, it's all flooded out. Yeah, so that's that. All kind of flooded out. I think it may have been the shaft, because it does look pretty deep over there on the far side. I'm trying to get my camera to focus right. But yeah, I definitely don't want to dip in there in my boots. But just kind of interesting, that they would just have an underground station right here, and it's lower than the level of the thing there. So I don't know if this was all piled in here or what, but Unfortunately, that's about all there is to this one. The pile kind of comes out this way, but we will catch back up with you guys on the next one.